if the two of you can stay in this house for the next 24 hours without pressing your phone and talking to each other, you win yourself 1 million naira. Come on, guys, let's go. Welcome. This is your kitchen. You have everything stocked up so that you can eat and enjoy your stay. Let's go. This is the bedroom. The two of you will have to sleep together. Let's go. Listen, if any of you talks, 100,000 naira will be deducted from your money each. Your time starts now. I'll see you later. Bye. Hello! You guys have spent 6 hours here and surprisingly, none of them have spoken. If you guys speak, I'm going to deduct 200,000 naira from your prize money each. So I advise you don't talk. Let's go.
Well, I don't mind risking 200,000 naira, you know, this pretty girl. Okay.
Why did you talk?
Yeah, we don't have any conversation. So tell me what's your name now?
Hello! You guys have spent 12 hours here. I saw you guys speak, which has reduced your money from 500,000 naira to 300,000 naira. So now listen, if any of you speak right now, I'm going to deduct 250,000 naira each from your money. So good night and have fun. Good morning. You guys have spent 20 hours here. If one of you can flip this water bottle and make it stand, you flip your money from 300,000 naira back to 500,000 naira. But if you lose 100,000 naira each. Come on, let's go.